Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to show you guys if you are running out your quota or agent quota on Google Antigravity, you don't need to worry. You don't need to purchase yet because I'm purchasing like the pro version, and I'm still for me I'm still happy with it. And sometimes I got run out of my quota, and then how to uh, tackle this issue? You could just sign into another account. So you just click to profile and then click sign out, and then you just sign into another account. It's free trial, no problem. So to be honest, previously I wondered that if I log out, all my works will be gone or will be not updated because I'm signed out. But the thing is, because this is the visual code, it grounded to your disk, I mean to your offline data. So even if you are logged out or change your account, it will be still same file edit on the anti-gravity. So no worry, you just sign out and then sign in with another account, which is it's okay if it is the free tier, and you got to go. Okay, you good to go after you sign in to another account. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope this video helpful for you. Bye bye.